Hi, my name is Benny Lai. I'm from Vietnam Cafe. Today I'm gonna make you the chicken beef. Let me know what you think. First, we're gonna fire up the wok. My family came to this country in October 1979. We first started out in 1982 with a little grocery store right next door. And around 1984, we started out a small restaurant. The beef is seasoning with some soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic, and scallion. Now at the end, before you cook, you have to add a little bit of oyster sauce in there to get the flavor. And for the color, we use the thick soy sauce. My mom said, why not? Because I have 8 kids. Either way, I have to cook for my kids. So if whatever I cooked at the restaurant and left over, I can feed my kids. This dish has come from my aunt. She had a restaurant over 40 years. We're serving this dish on both locations, in Chinatown and in University City. I grew up in this neighborhood. I'm living here since I was 13 years old. Around 10 years ago, I see the neighborhood change a lot. So we decided to invest back to the neighborhood. I have customers come all over from Mainline, Delaware County, Jersey, and especially all my neighborhood is very supportive. There you go. Now, there you have it. It's our second beef.